Alright, here I am in my room, assembling my office chair. Don't know what I'm doing, but I'll figure it out. Listening to Dave Brubeck and many others in the solitude of my room. I have here my instructions. Yes. It looks like French, Spanish, maybe a little bit of Portuguese. I don't know. But we'll figure it out. So, bye-bye. Oh, you still there? I tell you, I do this every day at work. And I haven't had this many problems with screws since the days I was screwing around. Watch out for, what do they say? Oh, what's the word that they use? Oh, be careful not to cross-thread screws. Yeah. I was like, okay, I do this every day at work, no problem. Cross-thread, right. I don't want to cross-thread the screws. But what do? Look at that! Cross-thread. Every day at work. On big dangerous machines too. I tell you. This is turned out to be quite a project. I think I'm gonna take a break. I will when I'm done. I'll get back to you. Okay, I think we took a wrong turn back there somewhere, and I hate to say it, but real men admit that when they're lost, they're lost. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop a local native and try to ask for some directions. Yeah, right here is what I need. It'll help me out. I really don't know what I'm saying. It's supposed to say, you know, can you point me in the right direction back to assembling the chair? Oh, there's one. Come on. Excuse me, sir. Précise les capuchons de plastique. Dans les trous des accoudeurs pour couvrir les boulons et savez. Vous est permis d'appliquer une pression uniforme sur le poussée du gaz et l'eau baisse. Toilet et doit les fixer en place. Oui? Merci beaucoup. Come on, let's get out of here. Merci. I don't know about that one. I don't know. I'm gonna try to figure this out. I'll get back to you. I'm almost there. I know. Calling customer service. Yes, I'm calling customer service. Right. Yes. I'm calling to get bailed out. Because I know speak a good French, no? The locals ain't helping me none. I know. This is so manly. So manly. Hey, that's okay though. I'm almost there. It's only a matter of time now. I just gotta figure out what I'm doing. Well, I guess we're done. Oh, what a beautiful chair that doesn't work. Isn't it lovely? Does it do anything? No. It doesn't do anything. I just sit in it. As a matter of fact, I don't even want to sit in it. I just want to look at it. Well, that's been 101, putting together an office chair. Get ready for installment 2, customer service, with putting together an office chair. Thank you. Have a good night. Oh, so you thought that I was gone, no? It seems that I finally found a way to assemble the chair. No, you do not believe me? Look, I come to your level, no? Ha, yes. Oh, what's this? I tilt back? No. Yeah, I tilt forward. Oh, yes. So wonderful, no? Yeah. No customer service. We do not need them. We shall relax in the humble abode of the room. Thank you for 101 putting together a chair. Yes, a man shall figure it out. Why is my accent switching from Italian to French to African? I don't know. But today we have accomplished a great feat. Thank you. Bye-bye.